Hi there, Valerie Shodine here to show you a flip through of my 2021 journal setup. Turning the page on the new year and the new journal, it's 2021 with my little word RE that's mostly used as a prefix. Years ago, I knew that this little word would be a word of the year, but that the year it would be a very strange year. Well, the time is now. Art reflects life, and in the very next page, the themes page, I learned a lot about myself and how I am feeling about moving into this next year. Now the content pages are there and simple, and then my definition page. I really like doing this page and the word at a glance, and this is my insight page for my word. I've just listed a bunch of rewords here, and there's a little space to add more with my monthly rewords. Scripture is something I always include in my journal as a part of my word of the year and as a part of the study that I can refer to in my journal year long. This year is different than other years. I'm just focusing on one chapter in the Bible, and then I'll focus once a month on other scriptures. Now the intentions and goals page is one of my favorites. What I've done here is I've divided my intentions or goals of living into 6 categories that I want to see growth and or consistency in. An intention is something that is overall like a lifestyle. I want to eat healthy. I want to eat less carbs. A goal would be I want to lose 5 pounds or I want to lose 10 pounds. What I love about setting up your own journal is you can put titles on pages that are personalized and meaningful to you. That's what I've done here with the blog and video ideas. Now the doodles page. I really like this page. Abstract doodles are representing the unknown for me this year. Now, here's one of my favorite quotes by Georgia O'Keeffe. I found I could say things with colors and shapes that I couldn't say any other way. Things I had no words for. I want to say a shout out for this page to Cece from Creations CC. I watched a bunch of her YouTube videos when I was sick and got inspired and encouraged, meaning she gave me courage to branch out from my realism and to have fun with painting circles and shapes. Here's another spread that's personalized with my interests, projects, and then the stencils I launched for that year. I've used stencils all throughout this page spread. Now for books, movies, TV, and music. I really like to keep track of the books I've read for that year and my favorite movies, TV, and music. This was a fun one. It was more sketching and painting and then using washi tape. And now for the birthday page. I really like the shimmery gold of the big circle and then the little circles with the dates of my family's birthdays. And then, bam, this one doesn't seem to match the rest. Review 2020, a new era begins. And I did that on purpose because it was such a slam this year. I've never included a page like this. To review, to consider how things have gone this past year, and now to look forward into how am I going to step into the new year. And the Romans 8, 27 and 28 passage I got from the passage I'm looking at for the next year, but put it in a new version, so I have 2 translations of that passage there that talks about all things working together for good to those who love God and are called according to his purpose. And all things are not good, and it's a real act of faith at this point to say, this is not good, but I'm trusting God that he'll bring good out of it. So that's what this page was about with my review. And then I've also put thoughts about what went on and what I think God was saying in the following pages. So kind of a private reflection of that. So now I get to the part I almost didn't include is the future log, and it turned out to be one of my favorites. I'm hoping 2021 will do the same thing. I show how to make all of these pages in other videos. Check out my blog and website at ValerieShodine.com to not miss any of the videos, and bring your word of the year into everyday life, and join me for Plan With Me 2021, the comforts of home and art journaling, your word, where your word connects with my word, every month through 2021. Find out all the details on my website at ValerieShodine.com.